In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post in Basecamp, a crucial skill for anyone working in a team or managing projects online. Let's dive into the process, ensuring that by the end of this brief tutorial, you'll be posting with ease. First things first, let's get you logged into Basecamp. Navigate to the Basecamp website and look for the Sign In button. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Fill in those details correctly and hit Login. It's essential to make sure you're entering the details for the account associated with your projects. Once you're logged in, your next step is to find your way to the project you want to work on. Basecamp does a great job of keeping things organized, so locating your project should be straightforward. Look for the list of projects you're a part of and navigate to the one you need to work on. After you've selected your project, it's time to dive into posting. Inside your chosen project, seek out the message board. This is where the magic happens. Think of the message board as your project's communication hub. It's where updates, ideas, and project-related discussions live. With the message board open, you're now ready to compose a new message. Look for and click on the New Message button. This action opens up a fresh page, a canvas if you will, for you to craft your communication. At this stage, you'll notice fields asking for a title and more detailed content for your message. Here's where you articulate the purpose of your post. Type in a descriptive title, something that immediately tells your teammates what your message is about at a glance. After that, dive into the details in the larger text area beneath. This is your space to expand on your initial point, provide context, ask questions, or offer insights. The clearer and more detailed you are, the better your team will be able to understand and respond to your post. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to send it out into the world, or at least to your project team. Look for the Post This Message button. This final step is akin to releasing a digital carrier pigeon. With one click, your message makes its journey to the message board for all relevant team members to see and engage with, and there you have it. Posting in Basecamp broken down into simple, easy to follow steps. Remember, effective communication is the backbone of successful project management and team collaboration. With the skills you've learned today, you're well on your way to mastering the art of communication in Basecamp. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. Explore, post, and collaborate with confidence. Happy posting.